Hey guys, what's up? How are you doing? I hope you guys are doing good and I hope you're watching my content because if you're not, then please do. And please like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. I'm not going to bore you. Today I'm going to talk about Rare Beauty. Okay. Now, Rare Beauty is a brand I love and I'm sure you also do. But I actually kind of have bought most of their products, but what I like is their foundation, I like the lip oil, I love their highlighters, and I love their blushes. I'm going to specially talk about blushes today. I have 4 of them with me, guys, okay. And when I first saw them, okay, they are all liquid blushes. They do have cream blushes, but I prefer the liquid one for various reasons. Number one, the amount that you get is so much. You just need 2 dots and you're good to go. So I love that it has, value for money. The second thing I like about them is, the packaging is very handy. You can easily keep it in your travel pouches and they're not too bulky to carry. Okay. The third thing I like about them is the fact that it's got so many shades, and when you look at them you feel it's not going to suit the brown skin girls because they're too bright. But no, you'll be surprised. Like, for example, this shade. Okay, now this shade, when I first saw it, I was like, no way it's going to look nice on me. It'll look too much, too over the top. And like I always say, I like which is less, and less is more for me when it comes to makeup. Okay, so I tried it on and I was surprised how beautiful it looks on my skin tone. And if you're a brown girl skin tone, you should try it. Okay, now I'm going to quickly share my recommendation from the blushes, which is liquid blushes. And my number one shade is going to be this one. This is the shade Lucky. Okay, works beautifully. It merges well with your makeup and your skin, and it stays for a very, very, very long time. Okay, so this is my first recommendation in the shade Lucky. My second recommendation is this one. Okay, this is in the shade Happy, and this shade also makes me happy. Okay, this shade is basically for the days when you want a lighter pink to yourself, okay, which is not so evident, but it gives you a very beautiful, flushed cheeks. Like, especially for days when you don't want to do too much makeup, right? Those no makeup looks. This one works beautifully for that. Now let me swatch it for you and show you how this looks so that you have a clearer idea. Okay. This is how the shade looks like, guys. Again, I've still taken a lot. You can take very less. But this is how the shade looks like. Okay, gives you a very nice flush cheeks, very natural blush. How you would want naturally your cheeks to look like, but they don't. Okay, so this is at that time you can use it. This is the shade Lucky. Oh, sorry, Happy. Okay, the third one I'm going to recommend is this. Okay, this is in the shade Grace. Okay, this little bit is on the mauvish side. Okay, for days when you want your makeup to be a little more mauvish, it's for those times. Let me swatch it for you and show you how this looks. This is the shade. So it gives you a more mauvish finish. Okay, you can see the difference. So this is little bit on a pinkish side. This is more on the mauvish side. Okay, so if you want to wear like the really ripped gloss and you accompany your blush with this one, they look beautiful together. Okay, I've tried it and it looks very nice. So that's my third recommendation for the liquid blush. My fourth recommendation to you is this one. Okay, this is in the shade Joy. Now, sometimes we want to give ourselves more rusty look. Okay, so we go a little bit more on the orange side, and it is basically a little bit more on the orange side. Okay, let me see if I can swatch it and show it to you. So orange again, guys, when I saw the shade, okay, I was like, no way it's going to look nice on me. I'm going to look really bad. I think it looked beautiful on fair skin, but when I tried it on, I was surprised. Okay, and you will be too. This is the shade, and it is more on the orange side. So you see the difference between all three shades. This is the shade Happy. Okay, this is the mauvish shade called Grace, and this is more on the orangish side, and this shade is called Joy. Okay, so, and they look beautiful on dusky skin, they look beautiful on brown skin, and I swear when you look at the bottle you'll feel they're not going to look nice on you, but trust me, you try them on and you will not regret it. Okay, and I love Rare Beauty blushes. I was a huge MAC fan when it came to blushes, and then I tried these, and now I constantly go back to them. I constantly use them, and it's been more than 6 months and the bottle is still not over, and I have really used them. Okay, so I think Rare Beauty blushes are worth investing in if you're looking at something which is long lasting, something that really merges well with your makeup. You don't have to try too hard, something that, you know, obviously is value for money, and something that you kind of also get shades in different, different shades in terms of the variety, and suits your skin type, right? So yeah, it's a win-win. So please go try the Rare Beauty blushes. I love them. I also like the cream blushes, but I prefer the liquid one. I do have the cream blush, but I don't have it right now. I really recommend, highly recommend to try Rare Beauty blushes if you haven't done that yet. Okay, and you can pick any of these shades. All of them are going to look nice. I would just recommend buy one pink one, which is this one, if you really have to choose between all the shades. And the second one, I would recommend you to buy Happy, this shade. Okay, so 2 shades I would recommend. If you don't want to buy all of them, these 2 shades you won't regret. Please go buy. That's all from my end. And if you want to know more about Rare Beauty products, guys, please do let me know. I can do a separate video on Rare Beauty products, their foundation, their highlighters, their lip oils, etc, etc. I'm a huge Rare Beauty fan, so I can do that for you. Do let me know in your comments if you want to know anything in specific. Okay, bye, love you, and thank you so much for watching.